In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a discount code on Stripe. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Stripe like you usually would. Then from here, it should bring something like this once you're logged inside of your account. From here, you'll need to go down to the menu and go down to Product Catalog. And then from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to Coupons. And then from here, you can see you have no coupons right here. But to create one, you'll simply need to go up to Create Coupon up here. And then from here, you'll be able to enter in a name, an ID for the coupon, which will be identified by the API. You'll need to add a type, either %off or fixed amount. And you can apply it to a specific product inside of your catalog, either select your catalog or you can add a new product by clicking here. You can do the duration, where it will work once or multiple months or forever. You can also add the redemption limits, which will be limit the date range when customers can redeem this coupon, or limit the total number of times the coupon code can be redeemed. You can also down here add codes, where you can use customer-facing coupon codes. From here, once you're done, you'll simply need to click Create Coupon, and then from here you'll be able to see the test coupon that you have created. You'll also be able to see how many people who have used this specific coupon and when it will expire. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please come down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!